Welcome back. Hello. So, I'm waking up, but that don't matter, because today is an awesome, exciting day here, and I'll show you why. The parts are here. The final parts to the puzzle to get this bike swapped over to a left-hand drive. But here's the reason for this, okay? So here we have two G Sport roll cage rims. Black, of course. We got all the spokes laced up right here. I didn't even know that you needed two different sizes for the rear hub in order to build the rim. So you learn as you go, But Albies hooked me up with that. Shout out to Albies. But these are the hubs, and they are absolutely beautiful. You already know the deal with this one. That was a battle, but we got her done, right? This is the Odyssey Vandera Pro front hub. And I've never had an Odyssey hub before, but this thing is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And built to last, built to take a beating. It comes with hub guards already. That's freaking sweet. They just pop on, pop off. This does too. I have them chilling in the back. I'm not gonna slack on that this time. No broken spokes. But this is it. This is the kit. The reason I did this is when I wanted to go to a left-hand drive conversion, I have a right-hand drive hub. So I knew that I needed a new hub in the back specifically. I couldn't use the one, so I had to buy one of these. But the rim I have on there now is it's thrashed, I mean, it's functional, but the only thing functional about it is it's black. Like it's horrible. So I wanted a new rim, and I'm not the type of person to get one single rim and then another one in the front. That's just ugly. That doesn't look good. Not my style. I use my bike for its purpose, but I like to look good too, So yeah, these are the dream rims right here. I mean, G Sport roll cages. This is it. So I had to get everything. Front hub, rear hub, spokes and that. My first custom rim build. So fantastic. Let's do this, huh? Let's get over there. And here we are, home away from home. All right, let's get up in there. This is basically my second home by now. Hello, hello.
Hey, what's up?
Here it is, final product. So,
What you got there?
I got two G Sport roll cage rims. I got all the spokes pre-measured out in separate packages. I got the front hub and I got the rear hub disassembled. It's all in separate pieces.
Okay, hang on 1 second.
This is it. This is the dream custom rim build, Rob. This is so.
You got your wheels.
Yep.
All right, got your wheels. You got your spokes.
Got all the spokes here. Thanks to Albies, because I didn't know that. And I ripped this out of that wheel too. I had to buy a complete wheel.
Yeah.
But the only thing I made a mistake, and here's what I learned. So, if you can see, okay, see on these how there's a little bit of damage to it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, okay. Because when I was taking it out, I thought that you could just twist the nipples of the spokes.
Yeah.
But no, there's a whole nother thing
Yeah.
that you need to take
fine.
off.
There's
So,
nothing wrong with it.
but yeah, I got the spokes in here.
Okay.
They're already measured out and separated into.
Okay, so you got the front and rears
Yes, and then I got the front hub
right there.
right here.
Perfect.
Odyssey Vandera Pro in black, This is going to be a beautiful unit, man. This is going to be pretty good.
Yeah, it's a nice looking hub.
Yes, it is.
Cool.
But it's all there.
All right, cool.
So I am a man of detail.
Okay.
One very important thing for me. All right, so this is, let's just imagine that they're laced up, ready to go.
Yeah.
So the hub is on the left-hand side now.
Okay.
When I step on my bike from the left like this,
Yeah.
I would love and I want to read G Sport like this.
On both sides. Okay.
Yes, not
Okay.
not like
No,
one
that's
this
good.
way
That's
and
okay.
okay. I'm kind of disappointed though. Look at this. These are stickers. Did you know that?
Yeah.
They're not painted on
No.
like Shadow. Shadow
Yeah,
has a
yeah,
painted on
yeah.
thing, but
So I'll just put the G Sport with this space.
didn't forget about the frame. Where did we leave off at? What happened to the frame with the bearing? It's still in there. Okay. I got those rims yesterday, and I did this the night before, so it takes 2 days till Saturday when I pick them up. In the meantime, we are gonna get this fucking thing out. I mean, it is still locked in there. The other one came out, no problem. Like it almost pulled out. But this is gonna be the next challenge to tackle. I mean, I will break it out. We will ice pick this thing out if we have to. Let's do that. We are back. We're getting this out today, regardless of what happens. The struggle's real, but the man's got the sauce here. Secret tool to success. I kind of like.
You got that ratchet I gave you?
Yeah, it's in the back there. Like, I'm just gonna let you. I worked so long on this fucking thing.
So this is gonna work right here. There it goes.
Are you serious right now? Are you fucking serious?
Yeah,
Wow.
the tool itself will just fit right in there on the cusp of the bearing. So just knock her out.
I did this though, man. That is insane, man. It just came out. The irony behind that. I was outside standing on my frame.
Just need a bigger hammer, man.
Bigger hammer.
A
Are you
bigger hammer.
serious? You know, I'm just relieved to have this done. Hell yeah. Don't have to worry about this thing again. Finished. That was the biggest struggle of this whole thing. And it's not really a struggle to build a bike. Like, it's pretty smooth sailing. But that, I thought that was going to be a huge problem. Good stuff. I'm so happy. I'm so relieved. So here we go. That concludes this section. It's only good from here. This is where the fun begins. This is where the good stuff, where we see results. I'm so happy.